When it comes to construction safety and efficiency, the scaffold plank is a non-negotiable core component. It's the reliable platform that keeps workers safe and projects moving forward, whether it's a skyscraper, a bridge, or a residential development. But have you ever wondered how these high-strength, precision scaffold planks are made? Today, we're taking you inside the production line to showcase the star equipment, our scaffold plank roll forming machine. This fully automated solution is designed to turn raw steel coils into perfect scaffold planks efficiently and consistently. Let's dive in! The production process starts right here with the Uncoiler and Coil Car. The Coil Car safely transports heavy steel coils to the Uncoiler, no manual lifting, saving time and reducing labor risks. Next up, the Embossing Machine. Scaffold planks need anti-slip surfaces to ensure worker safety, and this machine delivers exactly that. It presses uniform, high-traction embossed patterns onto the steel sheet, no unevenness, no missing lines. The embossing not only enhances safety but also adds structural strength to the final product. Now, the heart of the machine, the core roll forming system, backed by a range of high-performance components. First, the roll forming rollers shape the steel sheet into the exact cross-section of a scaffold plank, precision engineered for consistent dimensions every time. Powering this is the gearbox transmission, which ensures smooth, powerful operation with minimal noise. The iron cast stands provide rock-solid stability, preventing vibration even during high-speed production. Need to switch between different plank sizes? The quick gauge adjusting device lets you do it in 30 seconds, no complicated tools, maximizing production flexibility. After forming, the straightening device ensures the plank is perfectly flat, while the flying cutting device makes clean, burr-free cuts to your desired length, all synchronized automatically. And it's all controlled via this intuitive touchscreen controller. Set parameters, monitor production, and troubleshoot easily even for new operators. The final step, finished product inspection. As you can see, every scaffold plank coming out is a masterpiece of precision, consistent dimensions, smooth edges, and a perfect anti-slip surface. Our machine ensures that every unit meets industry standards, so you can trust the quality of your output. If you're in the scaffold plank production business, this roll forming machine is your game changer. It boosts efficiency, ensures consistent quality, reduces labor costs, and gives you the flexibility to meet different market demands. Why settle for outdated equipment when you can upgrade to a fully automated solution that delivers results?